So good morning students. In the previous class we were discussing the question and answers of the lesson number 4, that is taking care of our body. Okay, and open the page number 111 and from that page number we discussed fill in the blanks. Okay, next match the following we discussed. After that draw a red star for the good habit and draw a black star for the bad habit, that also we discussed. Okay, so today open the page number 112, and some questions are there that we are going to discuss in today's class. Okay, so I will show you. Yes, some pictures are there and downside of those pictures some questions they have given. Okay, so those questions and those pictures we will discuss in today's class. Open the page number 112. Okay, so what is the picture there? See, picture of some items are given below and circle the things that help you to keep yourself neat and clean. Okay, they have given 4 pictures, okay, or 4 items. Okay, we have to circle the item which item is will help you to keep yourself neat and clean. Okay, so what is the first picture is that? See, first picture is brush. It is toothbrush, not toothbrush. It is a toothbrush. So first one is toothbrush. What is the second picture? That is a pen. That is a pen. What is the third picture? That is a soap. Soap. And the last picture is alarm. That is alarm. Okay. So among all these 4 pictures, you have to circle the picture or a item that will help you to keep yourself neat and clean. Okay. So is toothbrush helps you to keep yourself neat and clean? Yes, by using toothbrush, what you do daily? You brush your teeth. So after brushing your teeth, your teeth will be clean and neat. Yes. Then toothbrush helps you to keep yourself neat and clean. So circle this picture. Okay. Circle that picture. Circle the given brush. Okay. After this pen is there. Okay. So is pen helps you to keep yourself neat and clean? No. It helps us to write, but it doesn't help us to keep ourselves neat and clean. So don't circle it. Okay. Next one is soap. Yes, by using soap, what you do? By using soap, we clean our body while taking bath. Yes, so it helps our body to keep ourselves so neat and clean. So circle the soap. Okay. Next, alarm. No, it doesn't help. It helps us to wake up early in the morning, but it doesn't help us to keep ourselves neat and clean. So no need to circle that alarm. Okay, just circle the toothbrush and soap. Toothbrush helps our teeth to keep clean and neat. Then soap, by using the soap we take the bath daily. Okay. So after circling these pictures, downside of those 5 questions are there. Can you see it? 5 questions are there. So in your notebook first write the first question, because I will write the only answers here. Just copy the answers, but write the questions from your textbook. What they ask for? Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. So the first question is, see, what is the first question? I will write the answer only. Just write the question from the textbook. Why should we avoid eating oily food and fried snacks? Why should we avoid oily food and fried snacks? Yes. Why we should not eat oily food or fried snacks? Because those items are not good for our health. Those are not healthy food. Okay. Why should not we eat that? See, right? They are not good for our health. So answer is they are not good for our health. For our health. So what? Oily food and fried snacks are not good for our health. That's because we should not eat them. Okay. So this is the first answer. Now the second question. What is the question? How many hours of sleep are important for our body? Yes. How many? What hours we should sleep? So 8 to 9 hours. We should sleep at least 8 to 9 hours. I told you that 8 ಇಂದ 9 ಗಂಟೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಮನುಷ್ಯಗೆ ಬೇಕು. So how many hours of sleep are important for our body? 8 to 9 hours. Sleep is important. For your body. Okay. Okay. So 8 to 9 hours sleep is very important for body. Okay. Next question is the third question. Write any 2 healthy habits. Yes. Write any 2 healthy habits. There are many healthy habits are there that I told you in the previous classes. You should write any 2 healthy habits. Okay. So third one is the first habit is, tell me what is the first habit? Brush your hair twice a day. Yes. Brush your hair. Sorry, brush your teeth. Sorry, brush your teeth twice a day. It is a good habit. Yes. Brushing your teeth 2 times in a day is a good habit. Okay. So write one more good habit, that is take bath with soap. Second one, that is okay. Take bath with soap. With soap and water every day. Yes, you should take bath with soap and water. ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಹಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಸೋಪ್ ಹಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So these are the 2 good habits that you should follow in your regular routine. Okay. Next, fourth one. Why should we wash our hands before and after eating food? Okay. Why we should clean our hands before and after eating meals? See, I will tell you the answer. So see the fourth one. What they ask for? Why should we wash our hands before and after eating food? So to clean our hands. So why to clean our hands? To clean our hands. This is it. To clean our hands, we should wash our hands before and after eating food or meal. Okay. The fifth one is why should we wash fruits and vegetables before eating? Yes, after buying the fruits and vegetables from the market, why we should clean them, why we should wash them before eating? Because to make them germs free. Okay, to make them germs free, because you know that air is there, air is everywhere. So in that air, what you can see, what you can find, germs are there. So to make the vegetables and fruits to make germs free, you should wash them. Okay. So fifth one. To make them germs free. To make them germs free, we should wash our fruits and vegetables before eating. Okay, so these are the some questions with their answers. So first one I will explain one more time. See, why should we avoid eating oily food and fried snacks? Because as they are not good for our health, we should not eat oily foods and fried snacks. Next, how many hours of sleep are important for our body? 8 to 9 hours sleeping is very important for our healthy body. Okay, next write any 2 habits, write 2 any healthy habits. Brush your teeth twice a day. Next, take bath with soap and water every day. These are the 2 healthy habits. Next, why should we wash our hands before and after eating food? To clean our hands. Next, why should we wash our fruits and vegetables before eating? To make them germs free. Okay, so these are some questions. So downside of that, activities there, and they ask for the picture below shows a hawker selling food. Why should you not eat this food? Write in the space given below. They have given 5 lines. So what he is doing, he is selling the food on the road. So you should eat that food or not? You should not eat. Why you should not eat that food? Give the reasons. Write the reasons here. Okay. After this, one more activity zone is there. Tick correct the things you do and cross the things that you should not do. Okay. So my good habits. Some good habits are there and some bad habits also there. You have to write, put the right mark for the good habit, wrong mark for the bad habit. See, I will explain. First one, I brush my teeth. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? It is a good habit. Put the right mark. Next, I wash my hands frequently. No, you should wash your hands regularly, not frequently. So put the wrong mark. Next, I cover my mouth while coughing. Yes, it is a good habit. Put the right mark. I take bath daily. Yes, you should take bath daily. Okay, so put the right mark. So do it in your home and read all these question and answers for 2 times in your home. And in the next class we will start a new lesson. Lesson number 5 that says eating healthy. So this I will explain in the next class. Just read this all the question and answers of this lesson which says taking care of our body. I will continue in the next class.